Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of ultra-portable laptops with a showdown between three heavyweights: the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Nano Gen 3, the Apple MacBook Pro M1 Pro, and the HP Dragonfly G4. These laptops are all vying for the top spot in the hearts and backpacks of business professionals and creative individuals alike. Don't skip any part of this video because you might miss out on crucial information that could help you decide which laptop is the perfect fit for your needs. At the end of this showdown, we'll reveal the clear winner, so stay tuned. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Nano Gen 3 is a marvel of engineering, delivering exceptional portability without compromising performance or durability. Weighing in at a mere 2.19 pounds, this ultra-portable business laptop is a dream for frequent travelers. Crafted from a blend of magnesium and carbon fiber, it exudes both lightness and toughness. It's MIL STD 820H certified, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of life on the road. The build quality is impeccable, with a rigid chassis that resists flex even when lifted by a corner or subjected to pressure. The keyboard is a standout feature, offering a satisfying typing experience with well-spaced keys and ample travel. The classic ThinkPad track point, combined with a smooth glass touchpad, provides excellent cursor control. While the touchpad is on the smaller side, it's responsive and accurate. The 13.3-inch display is a visual treat. With vibrant colors, deep contrast, and sharp 2160 by 1350 resolution, it's perfect for productivity tasks and multimedia consumption. The narrow bezels maximize screen real estate, enhancing the overall viewing experience. The 1080p webcam delivers impressive image quality, thanks in part to a physical privacy shutter. Performance-wise, the X1 Nano Gen 3 packs a punch. Equipped with up to a 13th generation Intel Core i7 processor, 16 GB of RAM, and a speedy SSD, it handles demanding tasks with ease. While not a gaming powerhouse, it excels in office productivity, web browsing, and content creation. Business users will appreciate the robust security features, including fingerprint readers, facial recognition, and optional smart card readers. The inclusion of Intel vPro technology provides additional IT management capabilities. Unfortunately, it skimps on ports, offering only 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports and an audio jack. While this limitation can be mitigated with adapters or a docking station, it's a trade-off for the laptop's slim profile. Battery life is another area where the X1 Nano could improve. While it can manage over 10 hours of video playback, it falls short of some competitors. This might be a concern for users who frequently work away from power outlets. Apple's 2021 MacBook Pro marks a significant leap forward, particularly with the introduction of the M1 Pro chip. This powerhouse delivers impressive performance gains over its predecessor, enhancing the MacBook's capabilities for both everyday tasks and demanding applications. The 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display is a visual masterpiece, boasting stunning brightness, contrast, and ProMotion technology for smooth scrolling. While the notch initially draws attention, its impact on usability is minimal, and the upgraded 1080p FaceTime camera is a welcome improvement. The return of physical function keys and the elimination of the touch bar are commendable decisions. The keyboard is a delight to type on, and the spacious touchpad offers precise control. The inclusion of a MagSafe charging port is a nostalgic yet practical addition, providing a secure and convenient charging solution. Performance-wise, the M1 Pro shines. Benchmark results demonstrate substantial improvements over the previous generation, with tasks like video editing and gaming experiencing noticeable speed-ups. While the MacBook Pro cannot fully replace a dedicated gaming PC, it handles many modern titles surprisingly well, delivering playable frame rates and impressive visuals. Battery life is commendable, with the MacBook Pro comfortably lasting through a full workday of typical usage. While not quite matching the endurance of its predecessor, it still delivers solid performance in this area. The inclusion of a variety of ports, including HDMI, SD card reader, and multiple Thunderbolt 4 ports, addresses a long-standing criticism of MacBook Pro models. This expanded connectivity enhances the laptop's versatility for professionals and creators alike. The HP Dragonfly G4 is a compelling option for business professionals seeking a stylish, lightweight, and powerful laptop. It boasts a sharp-looking 3:2 aspect ratio display, ensuring you can see more of your documents and web pages without sacrificing portability. The magnesium alloy chassis, available in natural silver or slate blue, is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also crafted from 90% recycled materials, making it an eco-friendly choice. The base model features a 13th generation Intel Core i5 CPU, 16 GB of memory, a 512 GB NVMe solid-state drive, Windows 11 Pro, and a 13.5-inch IPS touchscreen with 1920 by 1280 pixel resolution. Higher-end configurations include Core i7 processors, Intel 5G mobile broadband, a vivid 3000 by 2000 pixel OLED panel, and up to 32 GB of RAM and 2 TB of storage. It stands out in terms of connectivity. It offers two USB 4 Thunderbolt 4 ports on either side, an HDMI monitor port, a USB 3.2 Type-A port, and an audio jack, eliminating the need for dongles or adapters. Additionally, Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth come standard. Despite its thin and light profile, the Dragonfly G4 is built to withstand demanding conditions. It has passed MIL STD 810H tests, ensuring its durability against shocks, vibrations, and extreme temperatures. The Provided My HP app allows you to take advantage of the 5-megapixel webcam's full potential, offering features like 3840 by 2160 pixel resolution, automatic framing, and keystone correction. The backlit keyboard provides a comfortable typing experience, and the decent-sized touchpad ensures smooth cursor control. While the keyboard layout might not be ideal for everyone with its inverted T-cursor keys replaced by a row arrangement, it's a minor inconvenience compared to the overall functionality. The 3:2 aspect ratio display offers ample brightness, contrast, and wide viewing angles. Colors are rich and well saturated, and details are sharp. HP Wolf Security Suite provides comprehensive protection against malware, phishing attacks, and unauthorized access. The included HP Power Manager app helps optimize battery life and cooling performance. The Dragonfly G4's performance is on par with other business laptops in its class. While not ideal for heavy-duty tasks like video editing, it effortlessly handles everyday office workloads. Battery life is exceptional, lasting nearly 20 hours in our tests, making it a reliable companion for extended workdays on the go. While the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon offers a slightly better keyboard and a more traditional 16:10 aspect ratio display ideal for video streaming, the HP Dragonfly G4 boasts superior battery life and a unique dual webcam capability. The ergonomic design, extensive connectivity options, and long-lasting battery make it a top contender in the business ultra-portable market. While all three laptops are exceptional in their own right, the HP Dragonfly G4 emerges as the overall winner due to its combination of portability, performance, unique features, and excellent battery life. It offers the best balance of features for most users, making it our top pick for 2024. The ideal laptop is a personal choice that depends on your specific needs and priorities. Consider your priorities, budget, and the software ecosystem you prefer before making your final decision. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments which laptop you choose and why. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.